Hi everyone, it's Zach. Happy Father's Day, and in honor of this special day, today I'm joined with the one and only my dad.
Everybody.
And today he's gonna be doing my makeup. Are you ready?
I'm ready, Zach. Let's do it.
So without further ado, let's get started. So what are we doing first, Dad?
Everybody, I'm using Nanette Lepore to moisturize my hands.
Perfect. All right. Nice and moisturized.
Nice and moisturized.
Nice. All right, so next what you're doing is you're taking the Hey Honey Trick and Treat Active Moisturizing Cream with honey and propolis extract, and you're just gonna prime my face with this wonderful CC cream on a sponge.
Okay, wonderful. So start here. Yeah, we'll go here like this. Those bags under your eyes, you have to get those? Okay.
Yeah, don't be shy, put some more. All right, so what are we doing next, Don?
Looks like we're gonna do Inmo Cosmetics eyeshadow. Queen Bee.
Queen Bee.
I'm gonna take the eyeshadow along with the IPSY Glam Bag brush.
Yep.
And we're gonna apply it with the IPSY Glam brush on the face.
And this is the eyeshadow by Ben Gache. It's French.
We use this finger here. Close your eyes, please. And we're gonna. Oh yeah, look at that.
Very good.
Popping. Exactly. Look over here. It's popping. Great.
So what eyeshadow's great for, just all over illumination. They don't call it eyeshadow for a reason. You put
All right, next we're gonna take Locket Powder by Kat Von D, and we're gonna put it all over Zach's face.
Great.
So I get to go crazy with this one. So we're gonna spread it in a little bit, Zach. Don't breathe.
And what does this do?
It's probably, I would say, sets the makeup, but also perhaps take some of the glare out.
Totally.
Yeah.
That was really good.
Yeah. The makeup's everywhere, but it is perfect.
It's
You look
perfect. I look so great. Thank you.
We're gonna put some lipstick on you. This is the final touch of the face, I do believe.
Final touch.
All right, can you pluck them together a little bit for me? Yeah, looks pretty good. Some blush.
Okay.
And a little color.
Okay.
A little much.
Okay.
And we're just gonna blend it a little bit. And here.
Do you need to get some more on there?
Yeah. Good.
Okay.
Oh.
Perfect. Just a little bit of color, just so it's kind of.
I think it's a lot of bit of color.
It's sort of that like flushed from within look, the very natural kind of like I'm very sun-kissed, you know.
It's not bad for a dad who's doing your makeup.
Not at all.
Like, well, where does it normally go?
I don't know.
Come on.
It's your makeup tutorial.
All right. Next, we're gonna take some GG Gorgeous bronzer. And I'm gonna apply it to wherever I think the best area would be for a bronzer, which probably would be maybe, I don't know, I'm gonna blend it a little bit here, perhaps.
So lastly, he's just adding some highlighter on my face.
Face, okay. All right, so maybe we just do, and rub it in a little bit. Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Oh, not bad. Wow.
I was just gonna say that.
Every look, Zach, is not complete without your lashes.
Right.
So we're gonna have to do those next. Never done this before, but we're gonna go ahead and try. All right. Good.
Perfect.
Okay.
I just want to say thanks so much, Dad, for being, the best father out there who can especially glam up their kid when needed.
Absolutely, Zach. Anytime, and thanks for the Father's Day wishes.
Thank you for coming on here, and we will see everyone next time. Happy Father's Day, everyone.
Happy Father's Day. Bye-bye.